Hi, welcome back to Delineation, home to some spectacular Lightroom tones and presets. We hope you are staying safe. Today we will show you how to get 𝗂𝗆𝗆𝗀 cinematic look using Lightroom. These settings are flexible, so you can use them in Lightroom Mobile and Camera Raw as well. Before starting, here are some important points. Welcome to Lightroom. Let's begin editing. First go to temperature. Move the slider to -26. Now move to tint. Decrease the slider to -55. Select exposure and expose it down to -0.50. Move to contrast and bring it up to +60. In highlights, move it to 203. Jump to shadows. Now decrease it to -30. Select whites and bring it down to -13. Increase the blacks to +10. Next, increase the clarity to +10. Now let's pop up the vibrance to +30. Next, move to saturation and move it down to -7. Let's jump to curves and try to replicate the points the way we have done it. Now switch to Split Toning tab. In Highlights, move it to 203. Now, move the saturation to 26. Next move to shadows and move it to 204. Now bring up the saturation to 10. And we're done with the editing process. Now let's copy these settings to other photos. We haven't ticked exposure and contrast settings while copying, as every image has its own brightness and contrast values. So, it is in your hand to play with them according to the image. Thanks for watching this video. You are free to subscribe and support this channel. Also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like it and hit the bell icon to get notified about new tones.